The Skullrock guitar is done. I've got Planet Wave locking tuners on it. I've got Screamin' Demon pickup in the neck position. I had it in the bridge before, but they're not very hot. They're a medium output pickup, and it just works better right there. It gives you a nice, warm, bubbly tone. In the lead position, I've got a Stag Mag. I used to have it in the neck position. It's really good for clean picking and strumming, but it's really good for a bright, crispy, trebly, high-end lead style. The hardware, the bridge came off, what is it, an Ibanez Les Paul copy, and the tailpiece was the original one. I had a friend of mine sandblast it, and I ground the chrome off the screws, and then I painted it with Rust-Oleum. And so there it is, what the whole thing looks like. And get up close, you can kind of see how shiny it is and how not smooth it is, because we didn't sand this one out and try to get it all smooth. But it turned out pretty good. The finish is matte. So it's got a little bit of gloss to it, but not much. Just enough to help keep the dirt off. Alright, so we're going to go plug this thing in outside and play it for a little bit. Alright, let's see what it sounds like. Alright, thanks for watching Guitars for Bars. Please hit the like and subscribe button and check back again for more cool guitars. Thanks and have a great day, and God bless you.